escape in your arms. Baby, I'm yours. Baby, I'm yours.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My setup's changed, it's new. Yeah, it kind of disappeared for a while there, sorry. But this is sort of what today's makeup's gonna look like. I'm gonna start out by doing our usual Nivea cream base. You know, just slap that around on there. Get it real nice and smooth. So braided my hair over the past couple of days. Looks pretty good. First time actually doing yarn braids myself. I'm gonna use some Vaseline to just kind of prime the lips, I guess, soften them up for later. I'm gonna take some of my foundation and just dot that on, spread it around with my broken. So while I was doing my makeup, my brother had brought me some food. Feel free to skip, you don't have to watch it. If you want to, it's cool. It's cool. I started by using a brown shadow and put that right in my crease. I went sort of above the crease just a little bit where my brow bone is, and then went back over that with a black shadow and used a blending brush to blend it together. And yet again, I'm breaking my makeup. Nothing new. Using that same palette, I took a red and orange and mixed it with the same blending brush I used for the brown and black. Just to show you what the color kind of looks like. When you mix it all together, it looks more like a reddish, kind of deep brown almost, which is alright, you know. I used the bright red and kind of like the other red from this new palette I got. These are very pigmented glitters. You really don't even need to use any cream or primer or anything because the formula itself is already creamy. But I'm just putting this on in the empty space, I guess, left on my eye. And I went back in the crease afterwards and put more of the reddish orange and blended that with some blacks. Kind of went back again, yeah, with the same glitter red just to make sure it stood out against the crease. I went back in with the darker, more pigmented, just red shadow and put that on my lower lid and kind of blended it at the end into a kind of a wing shape with the glitter. I also blended some black shadow kind of under where I put the red at to give it more of like a sort of tear bag effect, if you've seen that in those type of makeup tutorials. I also went back and used some of the same glitter for my top lid and put it on my lower lid, but right in the middle, so kind of like where your eye is. Just me pretending I'm the most fabulous thing in the universe right now. I used some black eyeliner to line my lower lids. Please don't be an idiot like I did and use one hand. Just get a mirror, stand in front of a mirror, use both hands, please. I went ahead and curled my lashes and added mascara to volumize. I used some liquid eyeliner to add some just small little details. You don't have to do this is optional. Went ahead and applied my lashes off camera because my camera died. And I'm using this new eyeliner that has kind of like a rolling thing, but it works very well and it's kind of waterproof, which is awesome. For my lips, I use red lip tint. You just kind of smudge it on there. Oh, nope, smudge, but wipe. And kind of pat it down to almost like dry it or spread it out for like an ombre effect. Then I went back in with the black lipstick, kind of in the middle of that, to give it sort of a dark, vampire-y ombre effect. Looking fierce. I use lip gloss to kind of go over it and give it a sort of metallic, glossy, shiny finish. I went back in and added my blush. Then I used some body shimmer, which works very well as highlighter when you're broke. Gotta make sure everything looks perfect. We're trying to shine bright in 2020. Knowing me, makeup just wasn't enough, so I had to do extra. So I went and painted my nails and added a bendy moon. It actually came out pretty neat, which is nice. I'm gonna pretend I have magical powers and just transitioned into a sweater. So instead of just leaving my hair down, I decided to do buns, which end up being messy buns. But hey, the end result looks good, so who cares? But yeah, that was all for this chaotic voiceover tutorial thing. I don't know. It was supposed to be New Year's, but it turned into Vampy Glam. But hope you guys enjoyed. Follow me on my social media, more active on TikTok. Just type in Elika Hyung, I should pop up. But yeah, enjoy this weird TikTok outro. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Arigato, mother.